Hi, I'm Margaret, and today I'm making Christmas biscotti. It's a great little biscuit to have in the cupboard, real handy if you have guests this Christmas. It has some lovely flavours. There are spices and fruit and mixed peel. Oh, and don't forget the pistachios. Well, I've now mixed the dry ingredients together. So let's pop the wet ingredients into a bowl. So a couple of large eggs, light brown sugar, and a bit of vanilla extract. Let's give this a little whisk with a fork, and then I like to leave it to one side to allow the sugar to dissolve. Next, I'm adding the dry ingredients and the nuts and giving it a jolly good mix. Now I think the eggs I used were a bit small today. This mixture's a little bit dry, so I'm going to add a little bit more egg white. You could always add water at this stage if yours was too dry, to save breaking open another egg. There, that looks about right now. So let's knead it together with a hand, just to bring the dough together like that. Okay, with flour in my hands, I've split this into half and moulded it into a rectangle to fit on the baking paper. If you want smaller biscotti, you can always make it into 3 smaller little logs. A bit of egg wash. That's just 1 egg and a splash of milk whisked together and brushed on top to make it golden brown when it comes out of the oven. And some demerara sugar. Now demerara sugar is great. It doesn't dissolve in the oven and it keeps a lovely crispy sugary coating. So into the oven, and out they come golden brown. Now I'll leave these on the side for a little bit, just a few minutes, till they firm up a bit. And then using a bread knife, let's slice them into the traditional shape. These will have to go back into the oven for their second baking. At the moment, they're quite soft, and the second baking crisps them up nicely. Just a few more to fit on that tray, I think. Then I'll have to have a second tray later, so I can bake the rest. Once these are baked, they keep really well in an airtight container. Okay, so once you've filled the tray, back into the oven, just for about 15 minutes, keep an eye on them, and they come out beautifully firm. Now to make these even more Christmassy, I'm going to cover one end with dark chocolate. I've tempered this in the microwave, and I'll put the recipe for this up in the corner here. So there we go, all ready for Christmas. Thanks for watching today. Have a great week, and I'll catch you very soon.